Hey guys, John's your Lego here, back to a brand new video. Today I'll be reviewing set 60166 Lego City Heavy Duty Rescue Helicopter, 415 pieces. What was I gonna say? Blah 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 blah. And so we're gonna start with the helicopter. There's all sorts of little extra side builds, chock full of pieces, chock full of good stuff. So without further ado, here we go. We're going to start with the main build, the helicopter itself. Very, very large helicopter. I wasn't expecting something this big, but we got it. And connects in the way. Okay. But yeah, very chock full of pieces. I really like the front, how they use those slopes. It looks blocky, but I think I really like the use of the slopes there. Have this windscreen piece here, fully covered cockpit. So if you were to close these doors here, the entire build would be closed. Just something they do not do very often, and I think that's really cool. I believe this is a sticker here. Spinning propellers. He used like 4 wheel pieces up here or something, just for engines and that kind of thing. Sticker. We have a winch here, and to use that, we have this knob here. Turn it up and down, and the string will go up and down. Maybe. There we go. And there's just a gear mechanism inside of there. Really well done on the engines, fairly large. And then you have a figure here. Oh man, her hair fell off. We'll see if we can fix that. Figure. But the winch, maybe can get tucked away. I didn't show that part. You know, focus more on the camera, not the. And then the door closes, and as you can see, I'm gonna close this door, fully enclosed. Antennae right there. I think that's pretty cool. She uses some of these slopes, semicircle slope pieces, some bricks, and then a wedge there. Large tail piece with stickers. Just a lot of angles, a lot of slopes to really fill up the area. Did a really good job on those. And then a medium-sized propeller, medium-large, I don't know the exact word for it, size, I don't know. And then, you know what, we'll move this up here so that I can access this next part. There. But this part here folds down, and then real quick we'll take a look at this jet ski, and we'll go back to that. Jet ski person. This is another sticker. Very simple build, but it's effective. And just a small motor back there, but take the jet ski, put it in there, got some slopes, lots and lots of room. I think that's pretty cool. But the jet ski just goes right up in there. Maybe. Oh, minifig bumped her head, but just slides up in there. And yeah, I guess the minifig doesn't fit. which is sort of disappointing. I think it'd be cool if the minifig just slid out. We'll have to take the figure out. This just slides in. Maybe. It slides in there, and what? Going all the way. Huh. Okay, I'm having some. Oh, there we go. Now it closes. Okay. So there's a jet ski in there. Another look at the top. Just a bunch of cool arch pieces. Put the figures aside. And then we have a guy, looks like Emmett's shower hair. And yeah, oars. Kayak. By the way, it says on the box, kayak does not float. Say lie. Stud, 2x3 plate, float. And lighthouse. Just some more round pieces, just like the buoy. Built up on some bricks and some slopes, and then maybe a little bit of shipwreck here. Just using some black pieces. Maybe the kayak got wrecked and just be rescued or something, I don't know. And then we got a shark. Just a shark brick separator. I think it's nice they included it on such a small set. I guess it isn't too small, medium set, I guess. And then spare parts, you got a Technic bush, wheel and tire, we got an extra aura piece, visor, scuba gear, some of the regular parts. We got some pins, we got some 1x1 pieces. Yeah, just fairly simple spare parts. Just quick look through the part list. I thought this was chock full of really good parts, especially plates. And just looking through there. Let's focus this again. Okay. Some big bricks there. There's a panel. More of those windows. 4x4. This is a 6x10 plate. We go over here. Bunch of big blue plates. The kayak, of course. Yellow 1x2x3. 2x3. Black bricks there. And the 4x4 around quarter slope or quarter, what do you call it? Quarter curve. We go over to dark gray. 4 1x16s in dark gray. And an 8x16 plate, which is really impressive. Like, get a 430 piece set and you get so many good pieces, so many good bricks, so many good plates. Jumped right over 2 2x10s in white. That is just chock full of good pieces. I'm really impressed with the part selection. So for this basketball court over here, if I unfocus it, refocus, so you can see that that's gonna use a lot of those good pieces. So anyways, we take a look at the minifigs. You can have a look at the lighthouse maybe. Look at the plane, I guess. It's blurry, but I don't want to have to refocus for the minifigs. So, I'm gonna clear out some area. Get these guys set up. You can probably skip about 30 seconds if you want. Or just stop watching the video if you don't want, if you're bored by looking at minifigs. I know I'm not a big fan of just looking at figures, but some people are. Oh, just 1, 2. I'm just gonna take their life jackets off just so you can see the torso prints better. But 3 of them have life jackets. Pilot does not, however. Okay, got these guys all set up now. Oh, if I can get my shadow out of the way. Peter Pan, you lost your shadow. Alright. Got orange legs, simple, Coast Guard, rescue apparatus, gear, shirt, vest thing, the white helmet with the scuba gear. Now if I pop that helmet off, smirking, simple white, or yellow, or what's the color? It's pinkish, peachish. Yeah. Oh my gosh. My camera is picking up on the face. It's like, look, there's a face there. Look, there's a face there. Okay. Silly camera. This one, same exact torso and legs. Another very common pink lips, smile. Other thing I really like about this, the hair piece. If I take this off, like I'm sure they used this hairpiece before, but it's the maroon. It's a maroon hairpiece. I think that's really cool. As I said before, Emmett in bed hair. They've used this face before. Dark blue legs. And just some sweat and a frown. For once, the minifig's actually frowning. Wow. And it's not Angry Clone. Okay, anyways. Maroon vest, or I guess that's a sweater. And then light gray unzipped jacket. And then this guy, I know in the last set, we had a guy with the same exact torso. Blue legs, orange vest, or sweater. It's called a sweater in orange. And another bluish, grayish vest. White helmet with the dark gray, or dark clear visor. This is a cool face. It's a very happy guy, and he's got a brown beard. I think did really well on that. That's just about it. Be careful around the weight bench. But yeah, get all this stuff. You got a whole scene here, which I think is really cool. And if you add another set, like I have over there, another set over there, you're gonna have one huge scene, and that's awesome. Great for play, great for display in my opinion. Not really any frowns. Honestly, like I think they did the best they could. That's just about it. It's been John's or Lego. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Check out more great content. Love you guys. Talk to you again soon. Thanks.